Designing for tornado-prone areas, necessary protective glazing and frames. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we explore the need for protective glazing and frames when designing for tornado-prone areas, looking at the most intense wind zones in the U.S., and considering the structural damage and potential harm tornadoes can cause. Other areas of growth in the United States, again, is tornadoes. We've had tornadoes for years. We're really focusing now on how do we protect building occupants from tornadoes. This map shows wind zones in the U.S. We tend to think of the southeast and eastern coast as having high wind speeds. Yes, they do. That's true. But as you can see from this map, highest wind speeds are the dark red areas. And here are the more centrally located in central U.S., or what we often refer to as Tornado Alley. Here, wind speeds in this zone can exceed 250 miles an hour. And again, we're all too familiar with pictures such as this from after a tornado passing through the area and the heat that tornadoes can cause. Trying to prevent damage from structural damage to material and damage to people, ICC 500 was written to create a standard for the design and construction of storm shelters, which include testing to meet tornado conditions. This standard is starting to be adapted in the red zone. Suppliers are evaluating and testing products to meet the standard. Another code you might see is FEMA 361, which directs you back to ICC 500. If you're working in an area that's prone toward tornadoes, ICC 500 is a standard that could impact your specification. ICC tornado impact testing consists of firing a 15-pound 2x4 at a test mock-up. The missile is fired at either 80, 84, 90, or 100 miles per hour based on the level of performance your project must meet. Here is an example of a frame and glass combination designed to meet the requirements of ICC 500. You can see that the insulated glass unit is made of laminated outboard and inboard units, two laminate layers going together in an insulated glass unit. This unit is wet sealed into the frames on the interior. The wet seal is to ensure that broken lines of glass stay in the opening during the duration of the test. Once that is done, as in hurricane-prone regions, the mock-up is then additionally tested in accordance with ASTM E1886 and E1996. This consists of 4,500 cycles of positive pressure and 4,500 cycles of negative pressure to test the integrity of the system after it's been impacted by flying debris. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.